Fall in a pan? You got it. FN Sharp has you covered. This is so easy. Just spray down about a 9 by 13 inch pan with some non-stick spray. We're going down with a base layer of tater tots. Cook those off in the oven first and get them crispy. Make sure to get a nice even layer all across the bottom. We're going to take some rotisserie turkey breast. It's fall, y'all. And I'm using deli meat. Just cut one thick slice, cut it into strips, turn it 180 degrees and dice it up. And you can make these as big or as little as you'd like. For asparagus, the trick is taking stalks and bending them. Wherever they naturally break, that's your cutting point for the entire bunch, because the end that you don't want is going to be what's coined as woodsy, right? It's just not that great to the tooth. Then we'll just chop these up. We'll go down with some stuffing. I got some turkey stuffing here, just kind of scattered across the top in a somewhat even layer. I'm just going to scatter the not cooked asparagus because it will steam and cook within the bake. Scatter across the cubed turkey breast. And then we're going to go down with another layer of stuffing, kind of just creating all these nooks and crannies of different textures and flavors. And then we'll bake it in the oven. But don't forget cheese. I've got some Boursin cheese, which is a combination of cream cheese and goat cheese with some herbs. Once it comes out of the oven, douse it in some turkey gravy, a little bit of cranberry sauce to give that little bit of tartness in there for contrast, and you've got it. Follow FN Sharp for more.